Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm here to show you how you can download the Trezor application on an Android smartphone, the safest cold storage wallet for crypto security and financial independence. It is really easy to use, store, and protect your Bitcoins, and it is a place from where you can safely manage your crypto portfolio on the go. First of all, to download the app, you need to make sure that your Android smartphone has a stable Wi-Fi connection. After ensuring that your Android phone has a stable Wi-Fi connection, go onto your Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store, on the search bar, search for Trezor. After the results pop up, it is the application called Trezor Suite Lite. Tap on Trezor Suite Lite, and after you tap on Trezor Suite Lite, hit on Install, and the Trezor app will be installed on your Android smartphone. Give it some time, and considering your Wi-Fi connection speed, the app would be downloaded onto your smartphone with a bit of time. As you can see, the Trezor app has been installed on my Android smartphone. Now, you can open the app and use it to your advantage in the crypto world. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more notifications. Do drop a comment, as reviews are mostly appreciated. Thank you, guys, for watching. See you next time.